districts on Wednesday. Now, this will happen in view of the new and complex threats that have emerged in the current geopolitical scenario. Meanwhile, Union Home Minister Amit Shah will hold a crucial meeting today. So, this is a big breaking update coming in. MHA has asked many states to conduct mock drills to strengthen civil defense preparedness as India plans a strong response to Pahalgam. And this is coming in as the MHA, according to what we understand, the MHA has asked many states to conduct mock drills for items for effective civil defense. And the date is set already. The date is, I repeat, the date is on your screens, May 7th, as the country prepares for a major operation. And these are the back-to-back updates we're getting for you right now. The mock drills, which will be conducted on May 7th, will test the civil defense security apparatus on various factors, including to assess the effectiveness of air raid warning systems, to test functionality of the control rooms and shadow control rooms, training of civilian students on the civil defense aspects or to protect themselves in the event of hostile attack, provision of the blackout measures, provision of early camouflaging of vital plants and installations to verify the activation and response of civil defense services, including warden services. So it's a huge list. And we also have Gopi, who will help us understand more. Gopi, these are the mock drills. I'm reading out, Gopi, for our viewers, why these mock drills will be conducted. If you could take our viewers through more details coming in, definitely the preparedness of evacuation plans and their execution will be one of the top priorities in these mock drills.
Well, in fact, Shivangi, it was later yesterday in the evening that, after a short meeting at the Ministry of Home Affairs, we witnessed that there was this advisory which was released that there would be mock drill conducted all across the 24 civil defense districts. Now, the 244 civil defense districts are those districts which are vulnerable towards the war zone, which does not include just the portions and districts of Jammu and Kashmir, but also the borders which are adjoining two states which includes Rajasthan, Gujarat as well as Punjab. So when you look at this, there are 244 districts which would be practicing, which would be organizing these mock drills tomorrow. While there's a high level meeting which has been scheduled today at MHA, it is highly likely that Home Secretary of India, Govind Mohan, is going to chair that meeting along with the DG of Disaster Management Relief Force. So this meeting will be chaired by them. Now, as you have correctly mentioned, the measures which would be mentioned and discussed, and the 244 district collectors would in fact be briefed about this via virtual mode. This meeting is going to happen virtually from the MHA. Now, to understand why is this preparedness required? Yes, there are vulnerable districts which are based in the war zone. So these districts and district collectors would rather be briefed about what kind of preparedness is required if at all military response is given back to Pakistan after the diplomatic response, which includes the complete blackout as well as how air sirens can be identified and what needs to be done next. So we will have to wait and watch whether any form of advisory is released after today's meeting. All eyes on this high profile meeting, which is going to begin at around 10:45 at MHA. Back to you, Shivangi.
All right, we'll be coming back to you, Gopi, as the meeting begins. And this is a very important update that we have for our viewers. So mock drills will be conducted. MHA is told and given the instructions to conduct mock drills, and there'll be a meeting as well. And Gopi, I'll be coming back to you when the meeting begins. I want to go ahead right now because during the night of 5th and 6th May, once again, Pakistan Army has resorted to unprovoked small arms firing from posts across line of control in areas opposite Kupwara, Baramulla, Pooch, Rajouri, Menthar, Naushera, and Akhnur, Sundarbani. All these places, viewers, in Jammu and Kashmir. Indian Army responded in proportionate manner. So once again, Pakistan violates ceasefire. Once again, and this time is for the 12th consecutive night. Indian Army, as usual, responding effectively. Indian Army says Pakistan violated ceasefire on the intervening night of May 5th and 6th in areas opposite Kupwara, Baramulla, Pooch, Rajouri,